Hi, this is Sara. Welcome once again to my channel. I'm here today with another making money idea with Temu website. You can call it Temu or Temu, anything, because different people call it differently. Temu is relatively a new e-commerce website which has gained popularity because of its low prices. Temu is great for shoppers because of the low prices, but there are different ways you can use to make money from this website. Let me share with you all these ways which I have in my list today without wasting your time. At number 1 is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting Temu products to your audience through different social media platforms or YouTube channels or other blogs or websites, and earning a commission on each sale made. Type Temu affiliate in Google and you will see this page. It says join the affiliate, and you can see other details on this page, like anyone can join, easy to earn and trusted brand. Then it says the details about how it works. Then it shows how many people have joined Temu affiliate program. Then it shows start your Temu affiliate journey. When you click on this, you will see the sign up details, which is giving your email or phone number and continue. The next way to make money on Temu website is Temu Games. Temu offers a variety of games which you can play to earn credits. These credits can be redeemed for free products or for the discounts on your future purchases. You need to type Temu Games in your web browser or Temu app and you will see different games which you can play and earn money. Please read all the details they have given here so you know how the games work on Temu. Third idea is influencer marketing. This involves partnering with Temu to promote their products to your followers. You can find all the details about Temu influencer program on their website or app. It shows details about how much you can earn per month and how you join the program, and different details about what you will get and how it works. If you have good number of audience on your social media accounts, you should start their influencer program and earn money. Here are some reviews of different influencers about what they say about this influencer program. The next one, my favorite, is to become a Temu reseller. To buy products from Temu and sell them on different marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. People who normally don't buy from Temu, they get attracted from the prices you're putting on Facebook and other selling pages which are there in your area, and they get attracted and make purchases from you. The next one at number 5 is Temu Cash Rewards. This is a program that rewards you for referring friends to Temu. You can earn bonus on each friend who signs up on Temu websites and makes a purchase. The best way is to host a contest on any of your social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, and share the entry link via Temu and expect 4 to 5 sales per giveaway. Let me share with you some important tips if you're going to start making money with Temu. Number 1, be patient. It takes time to build a successful business with Temu. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Number 2, be consistent. Make sure that you are consistently promoting Temu products and engaging with your audience. At number 3, follow Temu's guidelines, which is most important. Temu has certain guidelines that you need to follow in order to promote their products. Make sure that you are familiar with these guidelines before you start promoting. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this works for you. If you find it helpful and you want more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Look after yourself and other people around you. Bye.